TTD releases 3 months in advance Srivani Arjitha Seva tickets quota for the sevas like Kalyanotsavam, Unjal Seva, Arjitha brahmotsavam and Sahasra Deepalankara Seva for booking on 21st at 10 am every month. For accurate date and time, please always check TTD latest updates every month from 19th onwards. Type TTD in the browser and click on Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's official booking portal link. Then click on the login link as shown in the video. Then please enter the mobile number and click on get OTP. Enter the received OTP in your mobile and click on login button. It redirects to home page. Exactly at 10 am, click on online services link and then you choose the option Arjitha Seva. Once you click on that Arjitha Seva option, you will get a virtual queue time screen. So wait till the virtual timer displays 00 and redirects to the page where it displays the entire month in green color for which Arjitha Seva tickets quota is released. There is one option here called Select Seva. By default, it is selected as all. Here, if we click on that down arrow icon, we can see there are 4 Seva options. You can choose whichever Seva you want to book the ticket. In this video, I am choosing the option all for the Select Seva. Choose the date which you want Arjitha Seva tickets. Once the date is chosen, then it will display the available tickets for Arjitha Seva. We can see there is one option called number of tickets. Here we can choose the maximum number of tickets as 2 per single login. So for Kalyanotsavam, by default the number of tickets is 1. Since Kalyanotsavam, for single ticket it will allow 2 persons. Except Kalyanotsavam, other tickets like Arjitha brahmotsavam, Sahasra Deepalankara Seva and Unjal Seva, single ticket also can be booked. A maximum 2 tickets can be booked per single login. In this video, I am choosing Arjitha brahmotsava Seva option and number of tickets as 2. In this page, we can see there is an option called additional services. If we want any extra laddus and we need to contribute any amount to hundi, then we can use this additional services option. Otherwise, it's an optional. We can ignore it also and then click on continue button. It redirects to the page where we need to enter the general details of the TTD portal account holder and then the pilgrim details. Need to enter the person details like name, age, gender and ID number of a person who avails the seva. Please note, for Indians, only Aadhaar as an ID proof is allowed. The passport option is only for NRIs. After entering all the details, click on continue button. It redirects to the page where it displays the details for review. We can review all the information. If there is any correction required, there is an edit option is provided. Click on that edit button and rectify the data whichever required. If all the information is correct, then click on continue button. It redirects to the payments page. Here there are different options for the payment. So whichever option which is convenient for you, you can choose that option and then click on Pay Now button. If the payment is successful, it redirects to the page which shows the transaction success message, and there is an option to download the receipt. So click on the download receipt button, which allows to download or print Arjitha Seva ticket. Now the question comes to mind is, if we want to download the receipt whenever we require, how to do that? For that, we need to log into the TTD official portal site, and then in the home page, click on the booking history link. It will display the page with select service option. Here, select the service as Arjitha Seva. Then it displays the booking summary. If the number of pilgrims is 2 or more, then the book accommodation link is enabled, and using this link you can book the accommodation online. For that information, you can refer the video link in the description. We can see a down arrow mark after the book accommodation link. If we click on the down arrow mark, it will display the booking details, payment details, and refund details. In the payment details section, we can see the view receipt link option is there. If we click on that view receipt link, it will display the Arjitha Seva ticket for downloading. So please note, for all Arjitha Sevas, the entry point is Supatham entrance. So the queue will be less and minimal waiting time will be there. So in the four Sevas, the two Sevas like Kalyanotsavam and Unjal Seva will be performed inside Srivani temple. In Unjal Seva, we will get Darshan first and then need to participate in Seva. But in Kalyanotsavam, first we need to participate in Seva and then Darshan will be provided. So other two Sevas like Sahasra Deepalankara Seva and Arjita brahmotsavam, it will be performed outside Srivani temple. For these two sevas, we need to participate in seva first and then they will allow for darshan. But note that all Arjita seva, you will get darshan very quickly, but seva will take 1 to 2 hours of time. For hassle-free darshan, please follow these instructions. Carry the hard copy of seva ticket and also the original Aadhaar card and Xerox copy of the Aadhaar card of all the members who are availing the seva. And traditional attire is a must for participating in seva. So preferably dhoti and upper cloth for men and sari with blouse for women. And also read and follow the instructions and the seva ticket to avoid inconvenience after reaching Tirumala. For more informative videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.